Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today the weather is very windy and it's cold, and that makes a perfect time to have a hot soup. And when I talk about soup, what can be a better option than a red tomato soup? So today I'm going to make a tomato soup recipe which is very simple, easy and delicious. So stick till the end and let's get started. So let's begin. In a pressure cooker, I have heated 1 tablespoon oil in which I am adding in 1 bay leaf followed by 1 black cardamom. We'll just use the seeds. And now I'll slice 1 medium sized onion which goes into the pressure cooker along with 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. And now I'll fry this onion until they turn translucent. And now I will roughly chop 4 tomatoes. Now these are big size tomatoes, and we will add it into the pressure cooker. We'll fry this on high flame. I'll just give it a stir, and we'll also be using fresh coriander stems along with the roots. We'll wash it nicely and finely chop, and we'll add it in. Here goes in 1 teaspoon red Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt for taste. And just to spice it up, I'll be adding in 1 light green chilli finely chopped, followed by half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. I'll add in 1½ cup of warm water, and we'll pressure cook this until 2 whistles. If you're not using a pressure cooker, you can also boil this for 20 to 25 minutes. And once this is cooled down, we need to blend it. But before we blend, we need to remove the bay leaves. And we'll transfer this into a blender and blend it until we get a smooth paste. Post which, with the help of a strainer, I will strain this out to get a nice, smooth and silky texture. The consistency is nice and thick, and now we need to simmer this. Before that, we'll add in water and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Now here you can also add in half teaspoon of sugar, but I'm not going to use sugar because the ketchup already has sugar in it. What sugar does is it helps to balance the flavor. Here I'll drop in a butter. That's around 1 to 2 tablespoons. And now it's time to taste for the flavors. This is nice. I'll just squeeze in a lime and I'll turn off the flame. And that's it. Our soup is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it. That's it guys, our tomato soup is ready, and let me just take a sip. It's amazing. It's giving me a nice sour flavor and a little bit of sweet flavor because of the sauce that we added in. And thank God I did not add sugar because the sauce already had sugar in it. And I'm also getting a tinge of that spice from the pepper and the green chili, and I use the light green chili. Just make sure that you use a light green chili, not to make it too spicy. And what you can do is you can also add in some macaroni pasta, just a little bit, okay, because for my daughter I gave it with the macaroni pasta in it. It tastes delicious, so do try that as well. You can also eat it with garlic bread. You can just grill garlic bread with butter and oregano. That will also go well with this soup. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. We will reach 1000 subscribers very soon. So thank you guys for following me throughout this journey, and my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.